TYPHON machinery. TYPHON Stomp 509 Mini skid steer. Introducing the brand new TYPHON Stomp Mini skid steer, powered by the reliable Kubota D1105 diesel EPA engine USA. Compact in size but mighty in performance, the 3,100-pound TYPHON Stomp 509 is built to tackle tough jobs and maneuver easily through tight spaces, delivering power, precision, and efficiency on every site. Sporting an EPA-approved Kubota D1105 3-cylinder, indirect injection diesel engine packed with 25 horsepower of power. The Kubota D1105 is vertical, water-cooled 4-cycle diesel engine. It packs a power of 25 horsepower at 3,000 revolutions per minute and 19 horsepower at 2,200 revolutions per minute. Operational weight of 1.4-ton transport length of 2,570 millimeter with bucket. The bucket width is 1010 millimeter, and the maximum unloading height is 2,150 millimeter. Dump reach of 560 millimeter, and dump angle of 33 degrees on the ground. Dump angle of 45 degrees at the highest point. The skid steer sports a radial lift height of 3,050 millimeter and a height to bucket pin of 2,580 millimeter. Travel speed of 9 kilometer in 1 hour. Think big, work smart. Choose TYPHON Stomp Mini Skid Steer 509. Power that fits anywhere.